Chickpeas! Let's make salad from it. I'm going to plug the chickpea pod. And remove its skin. This goes to the salad. And this to compost bin. Hi, I am Harshini. Let's begin. These things go into the salad. Chop them finely. Now start adding the ingredients. Chickpeas, onion, tomato, carrot, and spring onion. Now sprinkle the chaat masala. Squeeze the lemon. Add a pinch of salt. And mix them all. It's ready to eat. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe to Harshini's Recreations.